I decided to use Google Forms for my assessment tool because I'm already in Google Classroom. For my interactive module, it will be easy to share this, and it also has good features. So when you're under the questions tab, you can easily scroll through and make all your questions with multiple choice answers. If I wanted to add another one, I could just hit add question. I could also add pictures or a title, different sections of a test if I wanted to make this like a full end of lesson assessment. I only did 10 questions, and this is going to be kind of midway through when they're learning the vocab, so there's no points assigned and it is multiple choice. I've gotten 2 responses, and you can see a summary from here after you click on responses of which ones they got right. And so everyone who replied got all of them right. So that is a good thing to see when you're a teacher. You could kind of see if you have 30 students and like 10% got this one right, then maybe I did it wrong, like worded it wrong, or maybe we didn't go over that one very well in class. So it's cool to see like which questions had the most right and stuff like that. From there, I can go to individual, and I can go to each student and see their answers. So this is cool too, because I can go through and see which ones they got right and which ones they got wrong. If you wanted to make this an end of year test, or not end of year, but end of lesson test, you could make it a quiz and assign points. I did not do that because I don't think multiple choice is a very good way of like doing the full assessment. I wanted multiple choice to be more of a practice run, considering my mom, who does not really know mythology, and I just sent this to her to do it, she got them all right. So that is just like she can deduce. And so for my end of year or end of lesson assessment with points, I wanted it to be fill in the blank, because I don't want students just to be able to guess. I feel like that's not a very accurate measurement of learning. So for this one, it's just going to be like a practice before the test, and that's why I did multiple choice. But when I do that end of test, I can definitely make it a quiz and have point values, and they'll know at the end of the quiz which ones they got right and which ones they got wrong.